He's puking. Puking.
There you go. Now, Mary, don't say anything, okay?
Yeah. What are you gonna call it? Barfing skunk.
No, we'll figure it out. Oh, we like it too.
Our skunk has a tendency to barf.
Wait. Watch. Oh, I think it's coming. He starts speaking ahead of time, you can tell. Watch.
Come on, skunk, here.
Stop it. No, Rihanna. Oh. That would stop me from putting my button on. Heaven? Oh gosh, that's probably what it is. It's got an ant in his tummy. Oh my gosh.
That's disgusting. Oh, there's some over there.
This is funny.
Well, it's funny as long as he's not hurt by it, I guess.
It's not. The pieces of cheese he's eating.
Can he pees himself? If he doesn't do it, I'll just give him out.
They're like, you know how mozzarella cheese is? When you cook it, it gets all like chewy.
Okay. Watch, leave him alone. He's getting nervous, guys. Leave him alone. Okay, Hootie boy.
Give him another one.
Mark.
Yeah.
Don't come near him. Leave him alone. He is absolutely going to do it again. Relax.
Oh, he's barfing. Oh, he just barfed.
Oh boy!
He's barfing. Help him.
Is he choking?
Help him.
Is he choking?
But I'm not sure this
Oh
is...
no, he's good. He's good.
Right?
He's good. He's good.
It's funny, I'm not sure if it's
He practically barfed up the whole mozzarella stick.
Oh, poor
And he's
baby.
eating it now.
Oh, don't be
Relax,
nasty.
guys. I'm not sure this is a good idea.
Come on, it's hilarious. Oh, poor baby.
Your father sees this, he's going to have a heart attack.
Well, that's his problem.
Hey, don't be fresh.
There's his tongue.
Sorry.
Oh, just his tongue.
It's okay, baby.
But he's still eating.
His tongue came out?
No, it looked like he was choking. His mouth was like...
Well, I guess, like you said, it's mozzarella, so...
And he kept gagging over and over and over again.
He's not chewing it enough.
Oh.